Every success story starts with a dream. Dream is not the one that you see in the sleep. Dream is the one that doesn't let you sleep. Said by APJ Abdul Kalam. Success is never accidental. It is hard work, perseverance, learning, studying, sacrificing, and most of all, love of what you're doing. Success is not given. Success is to be earned. So work hard in silence, let the success make the noise. Today is the day to make the noise. A very warm welcome to one and all present here. On behalf of Velamal Bodhi Campus, Kolapakkam, I take immense pleasure in welcoming you all for the Jubilation Day. On this occasion, we are honoring the students for their splendid performance in Periodic Assessment 2 held in the month of September 2021. Now, let's not forget to thank the Almighty for the success He has given. Now, I would like to call upon Aradhana of Class 8th B to sing a prayer song. Thank you, Aradhana. Now I would like to call upon Kamalini of Class 7A to deliver a welcome speech.
Good morning to one and all present here. Doing the best at this moment puts you in the best place for the next moment. It gives me an extreme pleasure in delivering the welcome address on the occasion of our PA2 Jubilee Day celebration. Before I begin, I would like to thank the management of Velamal Bodhi Campus, Kolapakkam for giving me this wonderful opportunity to deliver the welcome address. Let me begin by the first, foremost, welcoming the blessing of our extremely gentle, highly dynamic chairman sir, who is constant source of encouragement, always encouraging us to give it our best in order to achieve greater heights. Welcome sir. Next, I would like to welcome our dear director sir and director academics ma'am, without whose constant support and encouragement we would not be here today. Especially our dear director ma'am, who always pushes us to achieve our best in our academics. We welcome you sir and ma'am. I would also like to welcome our dear principal ma'am, who is the backbone of our school, without whose constant guidance and support we would not have come this far during the trying and testing time of lockdown. Welcome ma'am. I would also like to welcome respected HM ma'am, respected teachers and my fellow student to this glorious day of celebration. Last and most certainly not the least, I would like to welcome our dear parents whose support and love would most definitely not be here. Your presence at this auspicious day is indeed a blessing to us as a community. Thank you for continued support in every aspect of life in Vellamal Bodhi Campus, Kolapakam. Even during this lockdown situation, due to devastating COVID-19 pandemic, we Vellamalians have found ways to succeed. Please sit back and watch as we celebrate the success of our dear student. Wishing you all a pleasant day. I once again welcome you all to this program. Thank you.
Thank you, Kamalini. Now let's hear a wonderful Tamil song from Ruvantika of Class 6C.
வாசமிகு தென்றலுலாவையிலே மாமலர் வண்டினை போல் பெரிதும் மகிழ்ந்து நீ கொஞ்சினையே சாய்ந்து தலை வணங்கி இனிய தமிழை நீ கற்கும் முறை ஆய்ந்த புலவருமே எழுதி ஆய்ந்த புலவருமே எழுதி அயர்ந்து கை சோர்வாரம்மா மாணிக்க தொட்டிலே அமுதை வடித்து சுவை பெருக்கி பேணி உனக்களித்த பிரமன் பெரிதன் பெரிய நம்மா தென்மலர் சோலையிலே வாசமிகு தென்றலுலாவையிலே மாமலர் வண்டினை போல் பெரிதும் மகிழ்ந்து நீ கொஞ்சினையே.
Thank you, Ruvantika. Now let me call upon Abarna of Class 8E to perform a classical dance.
प्रवाह पावितस्थले कलेवलम्ब्य लम्बिताम्बुजङ्गतुङ्गमालिका ढमड्ढमड्ढमड्ढमन्निनादमड्ढमर्वयं चकार चण्डताण्डवं तनोतु न शिव शिवम् जटाकटाः सम्भ्रमभ्रमन्निलिम्पनर्जरी विलोलवीचि वल्लरी विराजमानमूर्धनि तगज्जगत्तगज्ज्वलल्ललाटभट्टभावके किशोरचन्द्रशेखरे रति प्रदक्षिणम् मम सदा शिवं भजाम्यहं सदा शिवं भजाम्यहम् ॐ नमः शिवाय सहस्रलोचन प्रभृत्य शेषलेखशेखर प्रसूलधूलितोरणि विदूसराङ्घ्रिपीठं भुजङ्गराजमालया निबद्धजाटचूटक श्रियै चिराय जायतां चकोरबन्धुशेखर ज्वलद्धनञ्जय स्फुलिङ्गभाविगीत पञ्चसायकं नमन्निलिम्पनायकं सुधामयूखलेखया विराजमान श्रीकरं महाकपालि सम्पदे शिरो जटारमस्तु
Thank you, Aparna. Now comes the moment we've all been waiting for. It is the time to honor the achievements of our dear students by awarding the certificates for the rank holders, class toppers and the high achievers of periodic assessment 2. Now let's hear the merit students of class 6.
Now we have rank holders of standard 6th. Tanish of 6th D secured first rank with 492. Litra Dashini of 6th E secured second rank with 491. Yashwant of 6th E secured third rank with 489. Moving on to class toppers. Tanish of 6th D secured 492. Litra Dashini of 6th E secured 491. Yashwant of 6th E secured 489. Akshindala Rishi of 6th B secured 487.5. Prarthana of 6th E secured 484. Samyukta of 6th A secured 483. Tejashwini of 6th D secured 483. Preeti of 6th C secured 482. Nityashri of 6th D secured 481. Tanvika of 6th B secured 480.5. Vismaya of 6th A secured 480. Aisha of 6th C secured 479. Bellana Soumya of 6th B secured 477. Maria of 6th E secured 477. Jonah Habakuk of 6th E secured 473. Srinidhi Hassan of 6th B secured 472. Aishwarya of 6th E secured 470. Tanisha Kumar of 6th D secured 469. Rahul of 6th A secured 468. Ritika of 6th A secured 468. Farhad Farhin of 6th A secured 467. Salai Viragadan of 6th C secured 467. Dikshidan of 6th A secured 463.5. Harini of 6th C secured 460. Charmati of 6th D secured 459. Riya Ranjit Kumar of 6th D secured 459. Pranita of 6th C secured 458. Abid Radev of 6th E secured 458. Lohit of 6th E secured 457. Dhanyashri of 6th E secured 456. Srinidhi of 6th A secured 454.5. Vishnu Charan of 6th B secured 454. Sai Vinay of 6th C secured 453.5. Lionel Venantius of 6th D secured 453. Bratmesh of 6th C secured 452.5. Sarvesh of 6th C secured 452. Raksha Rajesh of 6th A secured 451.5. Krishika Venkadeshan of 6th B secured 450. Next on to Centum score. Pratana of 6th E secured Centum in English. Tejashwini of 6th D secured Centum in English. Tanish of 6th D secured Centum in Tamil. Akshindala Rishi secured Centum in Hindi. Aryanachi of 6th C secured Centum in Tamil. Preeti of 6th C secured Centum in Tamil. Nityashri of 6th D secured Centum in Tamil. Dhanvika of 6th B secured Centum in Hindi. Vismaya of 6th A secured Centum in Hindi. Rahul of 6th A secured Centum in Tamil. Farhad of 6th A secured Centum in Hindi. Riya Ranjit Kumar of 6th D secured Centum in Tamil. Lionel Venantius of 6th D secured Centum in Tamil. Litra Dashini of 6th E secured Centum in Max. Vismaya of 6th A secured Centum in Max. Bellana Soumya of 6th B secured Centum in Max. Tanish of 6th D secured Centum in Social. Litra Dashini of 6th E secured Centum in Social. Yashwant of 6th E secured Centum in Social. Akshindala Rishi of 6th B secured Centum in Social. Samyukta of 6th A secured Centum in Social. Tejashwini of 6th D secured Centum in Social. Preeti of 6th C secured Centum in Social. Nityashri of 6th D secured Centum in Social.
Now let's see the achievers of class 7.
Now we have the rank holders and the class toppers of grade 7. Roshna Kirti G 7A secured first rank with score 496. Santoshita S of 7A secured second rank with 494. Shamita J of 7E secured third rank with 493.5. Kritika K of 7A secured 492. John J of 7C secured 490. Sivani J of 7E secured 488. Kritika Ray of 7B secured 487. Kavilash Vinayak of 7E secured 487. Sangamitra K of 7E secured 486. Vishant S of 7A secured 485. Krishna Kumar KS of 7A secured 483. Kamlini Shushik of 7A secured 482. Janani C of 7A secured 480. Saravana Prasad S of 7A secured 480. Sachin A of 7A secured 479. Tanusha PL of 7B secured 478. Sriniti Vijay of 7E secured 477.5. Sanjay Raj of 7D secured 477.5. Tanuska S of 7E secured 476.5. Sivanandan of 7D secured 476.5. Jia Elizabeth Abraham of 7B secured 476. Harshini Selvarangan of 7D secured 475. Raghav of 7D secured 474.5. Varsha G of 7B secured 474. Rishabh S of 7A secured 473. Imon Fatin of 7A secured 472.5. Bavadarani T of 7D secured 471.5. Jayashri of S of 7E secured 470. Tejasvi S of 7B secured 470. Harish Darshan of 7A secured 469. Lakshya Sri of 7B secured 469. Ritvita of 7C secured 469. Nandana SS of 7B secured 468. Naveen RS of 7B secured 467.5. Kirti Ram of 7A secured 467. Deepika J of 7A secured 465. Deepshika A of 7E secured 465. Advait Das KT of 7A secured 464. Kirti Vasan of 7C secured 463. Niranjana T of 7D secured 462. Pradeep S of 7E secured 461.5. Vaibhav R of 7C secured 460.5. Rishi Kanna PG of 7E secured 459. Chenna Reddy Bhavesh Reddy of 7B secured 459. V Sriniti of 7C secured 458. Ajish R of 7A secured 458. Diksha of 7A secured 457. Abhinaya S of 7A secured 457. Darun Krishnan M of 7D secured 456.5. Shantos of 7C secured 456.5. Vishnu Prasad P of 7E secured 456. Rajesh G Ritika Shri of 7E secured 455.5. Harshita SB of 7E secured 454. Gayatri Pradeep of 7A secured 454. Jahnavi K of 7E secured 453.5. Deepshika Tripathi of 7A secured 453. Augustine Joe of 7A secured 453. Vanchika V of 7C secured 452.5. Shashmita S of 7E secured 452. Ashwin A of 7C secured 451. Madhumita J of 7D secured 450. Roshana Kirti of 7A secured centum in English, Tamil, Science and Social. Santoshita S of 7A secured centum in Maths and Social. Shamita J of 7E secured centum in Tamil and Science. Kritika K of 7A secured centum in English, Maths, Tamil and Social. Sivani J of 7E secured centum in English, Tamil and Social. Kamlini Shushik of 7A secured centum in Tamil and Social. Tanusha PL of 7B secured centum in Science and Social. Rishabh of 7A secured centum in Science. Kirti Ram of 7A secured centum in Tamil. Jaina George JJ of 7D secured centum in Tamil. Shivashaswat of 7E secured centum in Tamil. Shasmita of 7E secured centum in English. Abhinaya of 7A secured centum in Science. Jayashri S of 7E secured centum in Social. Bhavadarani of 7D secured centum in Social. Kavilash Vinayak of 7E secured centum in Tamil. Kritika Ray of 7B secured centum in Social. Janani C of 7A secured centum in Tamil. Sangamitra K of 7E secured centum in Tamil. Krishna Kumar KS of 7A secured centum in Social. John J of 7C secured centum in Tamil. Gia Elizabeth Abraham of 7B secured centum in Social.
Now let's see the achievers of class 8th.
Now we have the rank holders and class toppers of class 8. Tarun Roshan of 8A secured first rank with 493. Inan of 8A secured second rank with 487. Santosh Kumar of 8A secured second rank with 487. Sai Dharani of 8A secured third rank with 486. Sean Franco of 8A secured third rank with 486. Moving on to the class toppers, we have Tarun Roshan of 8A with 493. Inan of 8A with 487. Santosh Kumar of 8A with 487. Sai Dharani of 8A with 486. Sean Franco of 8A with 486. Nitin Anand of 8A with 485. Pranav Karthikeyan of 8A with 485. Bhavesh of 8B with 484. Sharan of 8D with 483. Nikita Sri of 8D with 482. Nivita Sri of 8D with 482. Vino Sai of 8B with 480.5. Darshika of 8B with 479. Amisha of 8C with 477. Harjit of 8D with 474. Niharika of 8A with 472. Jaya Vishwa of 8A with 472. Samuel Sivakumar of 8A with 472. Tarun Ganapati of 8E with 471.5. Archana of 8C with 470. Akshaya of 8E with 470. Meera of 8E with 470. Lakshaya of 8E with 469.5. Kavinaya of 8D with 469. Sai Sahana of 8E with 468.5. Yuvati of 8E with 468. Kavin of 8A with 466. Deepesh Sabari of 8E with 466. Sai Sri Raksha of 8E with 462. Daniel Anthony of 8E with 461. Siveshnath of 8C with 459. Arush Krishna of 8B with 458.5. Sai Sukriti of 8A with 458. Anusruti Janaki of 8C with 458. Mohammad Faisal of 8B with 457. Neeraja of 8D with 454. Aradhana Devi of 8B with 453.5. Harshini of 8D with 453.5. Monish Khanna of 8C with 453. Nitya Prasant of 8E with 453. Arjish of 8A with 452. Alban of 8B with 452. Vijayan of 8E with 452. Sanjay of 8B with 451.5. Rohit of 8B with 451. Samriddhi of 8B with 451. Anish of 8C with 450. Lohit of 8C with 450. Next on to centum scorers. We have Tarun Roshan of 8A secured centum in Tamil and social science. Inan of 8A secured centum in Tamil. Santosh Kumar of 8A secured centum in English and Tamil. Sai Dharani of 8A secured centum in English and social science. Nitin Anand of 8A secured centum in Tamil. Bhavesh of 8B secured centum in Tamil and social science. Sharan of 8D secured centum in Tamil and social science. Nikita Sri of 8D secured centum in English and Tamil. Nivita Sri of 8D secured centum in English and Tamil. Vino Sai of 8B secured centum in social science. Darshika of 8B secured centum in Tamil. Amisha of 8C secured centum in English. Harjit of 8D secured centum in English. Niharika of 8A secured centum in English and social science. Tarun Ganapati of 8D secured centum in Tamil. Archana of 8C secured centum in Tamil. Akshaya of 8E secured centum in Tamil. Meera of 8E secured centum in English. Lakshya of 8E secured centum in English. Sai Sahana of 8E secured centum in English. Yuvati of 8E secured centum in English. Deepesh Sabri of 8E secured centum in Tamil. Siveshnath of 8C secured centum in English. Anusruti Janaki of 8C secured centum in English. Mohammad Faisal of 8B secured centum in social science. Harshini of 8D secured centum in English. Lohit of 8C secured centum in Tamil. Dikshana of 8D secured centum in English and Tamil. Samita Shruti of 8C secured centum in English. Anamika Santosh of 8C secured centum in English.
My heartfelt congratulations to all achievers. We have now come to an end of this wonderful event. I would like to call upon Simra for giving vote of thanks.
Once a great man whispered, feeling thankfulness and not expressing it is like wrapping a gift and not giving it. Today, I put all of my gratitude into words. Good morning to our Honorable Chairman Sir, respected HMM, and all of our beloved teachers. To the world, you may be just a teacher, but to students, you are a hero. A heartfelt thanks to all of the teachers who put their time, effort, and love into educating us. I, Simra Wasim Mohammed, and the entire organizing committee use this opportunity to thank all of the students who have excelled in their academics and have scored high grades in all of their subjects. You give us so much to aspire for and have raised the benchmark high, really high. Thank you very much and have a good rest of the day.